V and Jennifer's winter constellation project about Cetus.
Cetus is located in the northern sky and represents the sea monster from the Greek myth. Cetus is also known as the whale. The constellation was categorized by the Greek astronomer Ptolemy. Cetus is a large constellation. It is visible from October to January. It can also be found near Pegasus, Aquarius, and Pisces. Cetus is home to the barred spiral galaxy Messier 77 and several well-known stars, Deneb Cetus, Menkaure, Cetus, and the famous variable star Mira. Messier 77 was first observed on December 17, 1780, describing it as a cluster of small stars which contains some nebulosity. The galaxy M77 is known as a Seyfert galaxy. M77 is one of the brightest of the Seyfert galaxy.
Poseidon sent a sea monster, known as Cetus, to destroy the land of Ethiopia as a punishment for Queen Cassiopeia's obnoxious boast that she was more beautiful than the sea nymphs called the Nereids. Cetus ravaged the coast of Cepheus's territory, destroying towns and harming the citizens that lived there. Cepheus had no choice but to offer up his daughter Andromeda as a sacrifice to the sea monster. Andromeda was chained to the cliffs of Joppa, waiting for her death. However, Perseus came to the rescue and stabbed the sword into Cetus, causing it to collapse and die. Andromeda and Perseus ended up getting married later on.
Although Perseus was known for killing Cetus with his magnificent sword, he also had another object that made the assassination successful.
Which leads to our second myth on how Perseus captured Medusa's head.
The myth of Perseus begins when the oracle of Delphi said that Acrisius, the king of Argos' grandson, would take his life. The fearful king decided to lock his own daughter, Danae, in a courtyard bronze chamber in order to prevent her from meeting a man. However, Zeus quickly fell in love with her while observing her from Olympus and impregnated her.
Danae gave birth to a son named Perseus, but when Perseus grew older, King Polydectes fell in love with Danae and wanted to marry her. Danae denied King Polydectes' proposal, which made him furious. The king thought Perseus was one of the reasons why Danae wouldn't marry him, so he sent Perseus on a mission to assassinate Medusa. His mission ended up being successful. Perseus chopped off Medusa's head and later on used it in the battle with Cetus.